Hi, so I just wanted to give a quick overview of Cinder. So Cinder is a Fire browser. Right now it allows you to set up an organization. So you could add users, and then you could connect to, you can set up your healthcare API credentials and then connect to a healthcare API, and you can have it then connect to different databases. Once you're connected, it allows you to do a few things. It allows you to browse resources, so you can view patients. I can see who they're related to. You can edit their information. So this has all the ability to kind of see the different properties that are available with the value sets in Fire and change their date of birth. So this is all based on the data model, typed to the data model. Can allow, I can, click here and save these. You can view and validate. You can edit also the data model. So this is the data model for this resource. So we basically have all the different resources mapped here in it. So you can kind of search by this. I'm going to do some work to allow you to link. You can see this is linked to Babakari, Berg, etc. So what we're going to do is build out the patient view a little bit more so you can kind of drill down by that. Other really cool thing is I've added the ability to do questionnaires. So you can go to your resources here and add different questionnaires. So this is just a patient registration resource. And then you could add, it's called Fire Path Language. You could add extraction logic. This can then be used to map to different forms. I'm going to add an AI thing to help author this. And then this becomes available in forms here. So here I can do, let's say, I don't know, Joseph Keller. I can pick just a date, pick the gender, pick an ID, and then hit save. And now this will take me to the question and response. We can do the redirect, but now if I go back to the patient, you'll see that this patient has been added. So with this, we can basically build in a lot of the different resources you would need for Fire-based data capture, working to allow you to kind of populate this data, etc. And then, the other thing is I've started also working on different admin features. So here you can, for example, I can search for, Babakari. Then I can see the amount of resources that are available. I can delete them. I have the ability to upload a Fire bundle and assign it to a patient. So this would be a really good place for doing kind of potential data merging, data duplication. So maybe search for duplicate patients and then provide some logic for doing merging, etc. So anyway, this is sort of where we're at. It's kind of, I think, a really solid foundation for providing a lightweight EMR on top of Fire. Again, this is just sitting on top of Healthcare API. So using it should be quite simple you can put this right on top of the work you're already doing with Oxford.